Today I'm doing a few landscape projects around my home. I just returned from the local retail independent garden center where I've selected some fine ornamental grasses, shrubs, ornamental shade and container trees. Today we'll learn a bit about planting a container shade or ornamental tree. Follow me. For today's projects we'll use a variety of tools commonly found around the homeowner's garage or shed. We'll start with a good pair of gloves, essential to keep your hands safe. A good spade or shovel. A mallet or a hammer will do. Pruners or a knife. A good bucket of water. Tree stakes, it can be almost anything. I chose 2x2 pieces of wood. And a tree staking kit purchased at your retail independent garden center. For planting our container, shade, or ornamental tree, we want to select a location with plenty of light, well-drained, fertile soil, and we want to stay back from any foundations, drives, walkways, or roads. First, we want to place our tree where we intend to plant it. Now we want to dig our hole twice the diameter of the container and as deep. Okay, now we're ready to put our tree into the hole. We want to remove the pot. Take a look at the root system. If the roots had been circling in the pot, then we would want to rough them up a little bit around the edges before putting the tree into the hole, planting. So we want to keep the top of our tree with the top of the soil. This looks pretty good. So now we're going to fill our hole about halfway with soil. Get it right down around the roots. Now we're ready to add a little water. We're going to add some water and fill the hole. And let it seep down into the ground. It will help pull the soil to the roots and eliminate any air pockets. Air pockets will cause the roots to die, so we want the soil to be firmly against the roots. Now that our water has seeped down into the soil, we're ready to fill the hole. Stomp down the soil a bit to give the tree a firm standing. And now we're ready to stake our tree. So now we've opened up our staking kit that we purchased and assembled one side of the tree, driven the stake into the ground, and tied it off. And now we want to do the same for the other side. So take our stake and our mallet, make sure it's firmly in the ground. We're going to stomp in a little soil just to make sure it holds very well. Now we're ready to apply our tree holding device. We're going to finish it by tying it off. Now with our tree planted and staked, we're ready to finish it off with our optional ornamental mulch. Enjoy your new planting.